Are beard oils and balms good for short beards? If only I was given a heads up and informed that growing healthy beards would be this tough. At least I would have been prepared for it, lol. Is there any preparation that is really enough, though? When my beard started to grow, the hairs were growing in different directions, and the skin underneath my beard was so dry and itchy that it would flake off sometimes. This was so horrible that I almost quit growing a beard. I was seriously considering shaving it all off until some beard products came to my rescue. That's why I can answer the question, are beard oils and balms good for a short beard? Yes, they are. Beard oils and balms have become a must-have product for men with beards, whether they are short beards or full-blown beards. If you are growing short, unruly facial hair and finding it difficult to choose the right product for your beard and face, this article will serve as a guide in your beard growing journey. By the time you finish reading this article, you will know what beard oils and beard balms are, the benefits of using them, and how to choose the best beard oil and balm for your beard. Furthermore, you will know all about how to care for your short beard. Beard oils and beard balms, what are they and what they do? Over the years, the beard industry has made a major comeback, with popularity growing following the release of numerous beard products that keep beards looking and feeling better. This was good news for me because this was my shot at growing a healthy, attractive beard, and I gladly took it. Beard oils are enriched with non-greasy but nourishing oils that help in conditioning, strengthening, moisturizing, and reducing itching, while encouraging beard growth. Regular maintenance of your beard will encourage healthy beard growth and increase the beard's strength and durability. You can avoid dry and wiry hair and gain a luscious, soft look by adding a few drops of beard oil to your beard. The oil isn't just beneficial to your beard, but also to the skin underneath your facial hair. You need to give the same special treatment you give to your beard to the skin underneath. This will help to keep it hydrated and smooth. Do you also know that beard oil can act as a natural cologne for you? It's true. All thanks to the naturally scented essential oils in the products. They keep you smelling nice while keeping your beard clean and polished all day. Beard balms, on the other hand, are leave-on conditioners, specifically made for facial hairs. They contain moisturizers that help seal moisture into the beard and keep the beard frizz-free when exposed to the sun. It softens hair to make it more manageable and easy to style. Are beard oils and balms good for short beards? Find out here. One of the most frequently asked questions I get from people is whether you can use beard oil and balm for a short beard. The next most common question is about the difference between beard oil and balm. Most people see the two products as the same thing, but this is a misconception. To answer the second question first, beard oil is a conditioner and moisturizer meant to be rubbed into and left in the beard, while a balm is a pomade mixture of cooling and heating sealants and moisturizers. The main difference between the two products is that a beard balm is more helpful in taming a beard than beard oil. So, if you have a long beard which becomes hard to manage, brushing and oil may not be enough. You need the extra strength of a beard balm to tame your beard into how you want it to look. A beard balm's taming quality makes it a more suitable product for people with longer beards. Although, since it has moisturizing quality, it can help people with dry skin regardless of beard length. If you are just starting to grow a beard, your skin may be irritated because it is unfamiliar with the feeling of all those hairs growing out. The hair on top of the skin makes it challenging to clean and moisturize the skin beneath, leading to dry and itchy skin. So the answer to the first question is that beard oils are more suitable for people with short beards. As you can see, you need both in your grooming kit since they both fulfill special roles for beards of different lengths. But, when choosing what's best for your short beard's specific needs, beard oil is the perfect choice. Even though a short beard doesn't need much styling and is more manageable doesn't mean that it won't benefit greatly from the use of the right products. How to care for short beards. Having short hair doesn't mean it comes with easy styling and maintenance. A short beard needs as much maintenance as a long beard. In fact, it can need even more maintenance sometimes. This next section will give you detailed information about how to care for a short beard in order to keep it healthy and looking great. Check your neckline. Make sure your beard is just a finger's width length away from your neck. That is about 3/4 inch above the top of your Adam's apple or where your neck connects with your chin. The area underneath your chin should be covered with your beard. Keep your beard trimmed. Whether you keep your beard short or want to grow it out, you shouldn't let it be out of control and unchecked at any time. Leaving your beard untrimmed with uneven and unclean lines will be even more noticeable on a short beard than on longer ones. Don't over-trim your beard. When you over-trim, you may end up damaging your beard's appearance or irritating your skin. Stop breaking out a razor every day to keep up with your beard. It will only mess up the smooth lines and irritate your skin. Consider visiting a barber. A barber can help you trim your beard evenly and get it into a nice shape for you. Once they get the lines in place, it becomes easier to trim your beard yourself since you have a pattern to follow. Some men enjoy going to a barber for regular beard maintenance the way some women enjoy getting their nails maintained regularly. Keep your beard clean. When washing your face, make sure you don't skip your beard. There are numerous beard shampoos in the market for a reason. Make use of them. If you don't want to invest in shampoos, you can still use regular facial wash, but make sure you thoroughly clean the beard and the skin underneath it. Moisturize your beard. I can't overemphasize the benefits of moisturizing your beard. As I've mentioned earlier, using beard oil and balm is a great way to moisturize your beard. I wouldn't want dry and itchy skin for you. It is always a horrible experience. I also don't want you to have a beard with breakage and split ends, so take care of your beard and skin to keep it looking good. Take care of your whole face. No matter how cool your beard looks, having random stray hairs and muddled sideburns won't make your whole face look nice overall. In this case, where you have a short beard, believe me, it's going to make it worse if you don't tend to all your facial hair. Try trimming your mustache, side of your neck, and sideburns to give you an overall tidy, stylish look. Groom your beard. A short beard will benefit more from brushing rather than combing. Use a soft bristled brush to make it smooth and neat. Brushing your beard is important when applying beard oils and balms. Make use of supplements and proper diet. Perhaps you want longer hair, and you're finding it difficult to grow it. You can utilize supplements that promote hair health. A supplement such as a biotin can help. Also, you should have a balanced diet filled with lots of essential vitamins and nutrients. You can check out my post on how often you should use beard oil to find out how to apply beard oil and the right quantity to use. What is a good beard oil? Some beard oil manufacturers may charge high prices for their products, so you need to be careful not to hurt your budget when buying a beard product. I normally recommend beard oils containing carrier oils such as Argania spinosa, argan oil, and Simonesia chinensis, jojoba oil. Both oils are non-comedogenic, they don't clog the pores. With thousands of products out there, I know how overwhelming it can be to select the best and cheapest beard oil and balm. I will suggest that you go with products that rely on organic ingredients. However, if you are looking for recommendations, I will recommend a few brands for you. The brands below have been around for a while now and they have successfully perfected their craft, offering consistent, quality products. In addition, they are based in the United States, making the products easy to access. The products below have been through a series of quality tests, rely on better manufacturing standards, and don't contain synthetic fragrances that may affect you negatively. They are Honest Amish Oil, Honest Amish Beard Balm Leave-In Conditioner, Mountaineer Brand Magic Beard Balm Leave-In Conditioner, Mountaineer Brand Beard Oil, Ranger Grooming Fragrance-Free Beard Oil. Conclusion: not oiling or applying balm on your beard can make your beard wiry, dry, and uncomfortable for you. Trust me, bro. You don't need to suffer all this when a few drops of light and nourishing oil can give a glow to a dull beard and make you feel comfortable again. If you want to grow a long and healthy beard, I advise you to buy both beard oil and balm and use them regularly. Remember to get them from a reputable company that offers affordability and high quality. The better quality you use, the bigger difference you will see in a shorter period. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.